Vatamisi ni kubona tokumeno mulike ito benendemo Steve ni yogotuma yuno mugavana we Kaunti ya Kisii Paul Simba Arati ni gabaga kumena chintereba chiyo chigali che serikali ye Kaunti asensemo ya ATC imeyo muchobo songo ukona kura sensemo ya Arati boigoni garu kora gogo tindi gochia saba ntereba aubone gotebekana bali kira bange gwetania kerengo koningana Arati ni gagote ya bune serikali ye Kaunti ya Kisii ni gawachigali ya meronge 5 nebere abwase kulende gwetania abantereba chimi ibere barikira se Kaunti igabate iritukuriya nkibomera na segetikere giaguzi stadium Kromonto negali yari keira kogendi roboti rwa senchira yobikirano
amma tukatano nabire mage Paul Simba Arati gotianigwa nigorera sangabene n'abarundi bekigali cie Kaunti ya Kisii ase bairere mechando yabo eyueramo na kwegu uniform chiegasi amangana a insurance engeri yabo gatiye mechandende.
We don't have working materials, attires, that is the overalls and the protective gears with the protective boots. We also don't get our driving license renewed with the officers. That I want to appreciate so much that you've given a directive that we make a follow-up for the allowances that we've not received.
Since I was employed in the county, even though I'm in contract since 2014, I've had a salary of job group F up to date.
ENSA moya ya Arati nigaicanira keliateba nobokurumi boboteneriwe Kaunti ya Kisii ase sector yobosombi ase chintereba chirikire chietani tichigali chie Kaunti amo na bangi babokona cheru insurance yekerengo kia third party nonyeba gwakaneru comprehensive insurance korwa ase keganchagie Kaunti.
The story there is no cover is because you know the cover which is there is the third party cover. The insurance that which hata kama ililipwa kama it was paid lazima watuambie who took the money. Period. Kuja tuzemezane. Tuongee, uniambie ukweli vile umekula hiyo pesa. Tukwambie tafadhali ile ambayo kidogo imebaki rudisha kwa county. Tumekusamea lakini hatuwezi sahau. Hata kama tufikishe 100, tuache 150 nje. It's not surprising kwamba hao madriver awako wameandikwa pesa inakuwa withdrawn through those specific accounts. Kwa hivyo kuna pesa kupitia kwa madriver karibu milioni 5. Hawezi piga hata nduru kwa sababu maneno kama haya.
Arati nigagosera iri gotuga kiboikiranwe sector yo Burundi konyore menganyeri chibesa chikoiberwa gosimora abakoreri bagwakanu batari gokora gasi na kweneki bali bagotoka na mamocho baire irwe getambo kirogia serikali.
We will instill discipline. For human being to give positive results, pain must be inflicted in them. And we are going to inflict those pain. For people to be upright, I need to see the 200 and so drivers tomorrow at 11 in the stadium.
This is a third party. Instead of comprehensive, ambulance.
Magiga ya Paul Simba Arati konyara gutani gubuno mugavana okabere gwe Kaunti ya Kisii nigabona chakiro butukibwa ima sector yobosombi konyara kwene kibuna bali kirase chigali chie Kaunti batali abarundi banyalire kurigererigu na amangana arengete sector ya insurance yobosombi kurigererwa wale kwene kibuna chigali chibwate insurance elichiri kirene serikali ya Kaunti ya Kisii ko report rigetaseni kya Ndizi TV elietaliane